Hi guys, welcome back to Sauti Briefs, where we get to discuss current conservation topics in Kenya and Africa. My name is Ibrahim Omar.
And my name is Stephanie Wairimo. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our social media pages at Uvumbuzi Africa on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Well, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Last time we were discussing about the raising lakes, Lake Bogoria, Lake Baringo.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think much has changed.
Okay.
Yeah. Because people are still relocating, and the distance between the two lakes are narrowing.
Okay.
Because compared at first it was like 20 kilometers apart. Right now is they're almost merging. It is the difference in kilometers, like 13 kilometers.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So I don't think nothing much has changed. Yeah.
Yeah. But I read somewhere, I had spoken about the Rothschild's giraffes. They were able to translocate them from Micharo Island, which
that's
is
good
the
news.
mainland. So that's fabulous news.
Yeah.
And we're happy over here to Uvumbuzi.
Yeah.
Keep sending your feedback, guys, on ways to mitigate the crisis. We welcome all engagements to see how you and I can make a difference and mitigate that crisis. Today we're going to be discussing about the recent spike in human-wildlife conflict throughout the country.
Yeah.
There's been so many incidents just this year, and I know it's only February, but so much has happened, so many worrying incidents, and it's very devastating.
Yeah, I think we can start with the incident that happened at Taita Taveta, along Sagala area, where 3 elephants were killed in retaliation for the 2 people who are believed to be killed by the elephants. Yeah, but for Voi it's turning out to be a hotspot for human-wildlife conflict. Yeah. So I don't know what's happening there.
Yeah, there was also another incident in Machakos County where 5 giraffes were chased down by a group of people, and they ended up killing 3 of them, and the remaining 2 that survived ended up also succumbing after the incident. And the images we saw here at Uvumbuzi Africa was so devastating. They were so graphic, and it's unfortunate that these animals are going through this retaliation from people.
Yeah.
It's very sad.
Yeah, it was like a horror, and
Yeah.
you couldn't even watch it. Actually, on that, that area seems to be becoming another hotspot for wildlife-human conflict.
Yeah.
Because just in 2 separate occasions, we found that there was a cheetah and a zebra being hit by motorists along Mombasa Highway.
Oh, I think I saw that story.
You did?
Where vultures had come to feast on the carcass of the zebra.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and they had to move the carcass so that no more, like they don't, the motorists don't hit the
more
vultures.
wildlife.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you have to avoid more wildlife being hit by the
by
motorists. Yeah. Then again, we just found out this week at Rukinga Sanctuary, a giraffe was found wounded.
Okay.
Yeah? It was not clear whether it was an arrow wound or a bullet wound, but at least what we know for sure is that the medical team stepped in and managed to save the giraffe.
Have you guys heard of the famous leopard called Nguruman? He was recently captured and by the KWS because of causing a lot of havoc by eating and feasting and attacking the livestock of the communities on the south side of the national park.
Oh.
Yeah, which is very that conflict is very interesting. But right now it's at the KWS facility where they're planning on putting a tracking collar on it just to make sure such incidents, human-wildlife conflict incidents, don't happen again. This human-wildlife conflict seems to be a major threat to conservation here in Kenya and in Africa, and I believe one of the biggest challenges is because humans and wildlife have failed to come up with sustainable ways to coexist. I don't know how we can try and bridge that gap.
Yeah, I think the question is, how can we manage to coexist both wildlife and humans? Yeah, because we cannot afford to lose more life on both sides. Yeah. So the question to you, our audience, is which ways do you think we can coexist as humans and wildlife? Yeah. Do you think creating awareness on the importance of the coexistence of humans and wildlife in the same ecosystem will work?
Yeah.
We'd like to hear your comments on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow all our social media pages at Uvumbuzi Africa on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.